Students and teachers, if you want ready-to-use morning assembly news headlines every day, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Every morning between 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. I will upload fresh news headlines videos specially for school morning assembly presentation. Let's get into the video. First, students' greetings and introduction. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Rohit Verma from class 7. You can change this name and class with yours. Today, I am here to present today's news headlines. Let us start with. Next, let me read national news. High-level discussions are taking place in New Delhi regarding political developments in Karnataka. Next, let's read international news. Countries around the world continue discussions on climate cooperation and renewable energy partnership. Next, let's listen education news. New recruitment opportunities for government teachers were announced in Gujarat. Next, let's see business news. Investors are closely watching international trade and technology sector developments. Next, let's read sports news. Indian athletes are intensifying practice sessions for major international competitions this year. And finally, weather update. Heat wave conditions continue in several Indian states and people are advised to stay hydrated and avoid afternoon heat. With this, we close our today's news headlines session. Thank you for hearing. Like this, you have to say in your morning assembly. And then, one more important thing, for this kind of daily news headlines videos from our channel to present in your morning assembly, you just subscribe our channel and if possible, like this video to make some other students also reach this video and share this with your friends. Every day, I am going to make news headlines video for you to present in your morning assembly. So what you have to do all is just subscribe and click that bell button so that you can notify when I post this video. For all other contents like thoughts of the days, new words, amazing facts, shayari to present in your morning assembly, all kind of morning assembly presentation scripts are available in our channel. So do subscribe and check our channel. Thank you for watching.